Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through a very exclusive pure Kanchipuram handloom bridal tissue silk sarees, in which firstly you are seeing is a classic bridal tissue silk saree in lavender and purple combination with a traditional Kanchipuram long and short corvai borders, unique Meena Putta weavings throughout the body, enhancing the elegance of this collection, and are coming with a contrast rich zari woven pallu with contrast blouse. And the next one coming with a pastel sea blue body with purple combination with long and short kanchi borders and rich pallu, that's a pallu. Same Meena Putta weavings throughout the body with a contrast blouse. And the next coming with a green with red combination, that's a corvai borders, and rich pallu, that's a pallu with same Meena weavings throughout the body. Also coming with a red contrast blouse. And the next one is a pretty yellow saree with Kanchipuram corvai borders with a rich zari woven pallu and a contrast blouse with the body same weaving patterns. All these collections are pure Kanchipuram handloom weaving tissue silk sarees with Silkma certification. And this exclusive bridal collection you are getting in a price of 16,000 rupees along with a free shipping all over India. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. And also, if you guys wanted our quicker update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. We are having separate groups for pure Kanchipuram handloom sarees with Silkma certification, fancy silk sarees and pure cotton sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. All these links be there in the description. Hope you guys enjoy these beautiful collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.